Welcome! I'm going to introduce you to the 4Heat app, where you can manage your TEK Biomasse equipment from the comfort of your cell phone. After downloading the app and pairing it with your equipment, you're ready to enjoy this tool. By entering the application, you can easily access the settings menu, and there, request or activate the possibility for the manufacturer to remotely access your equipment in case of assistance. As well as access the Tools menu, where you can activate or deactivate a series of information. Just like in the menu settings, where you can check a whole series of very useful information. So let's get to know the app. The app is extremely simple and intuitive. One button to turn the equipment on and off. In this case, our boiler is activated. I'm going to cancel it because I don't want to turn it off. When we want to change the set point temperature, we have a system that, for safety reasons, must be deactivated to prevent us from accidentally clicking on it and changing the setting unintentionally. This way, you just click on the padlock and now you can easily change the temperature. In the end, just press the padlock again to fix the value. I have a panel here where I can check a series of information. The weather in the region where the equipment is located, the combustion power where it is operating, temperatures, water pressure, and if I want more information, there's an I for more details. Ambient temperatures, pressure, and service requests, which then allows access to an email to request the service. Graphs about the operating modes of my equipment, and the configure schedules, where I was able to configure my operating modes in a very intuitive way, where I can choose a program for the week and another for the weekend, where I can activate and deactivate a specific program. Don't forget to always save it so it synchronizes with your equipment. To change a specific time is very simple, just move it. Don't forget to always save it so it synchronizes. We're back on the home page and the application is now explained. Make the most of your equipment. Thank you very much for following us.